Hey, welcome back. Now, this lecture might just save you weeks of frustration. Because here's the truth most pet training problems don't come from the pet, they come from small mistakes we make without realizing it. And don't worry, everyone makes this at the beginning. Even experienced trainers did at some point. So, let's fix them right now. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your pet understands sometimes but ignores you other times? That's usually not stubbornness, that's confusion. Mistake number one, being inconsistent. One day you allow something, next day you don't. For example, today, dog jumps on couch, you ignore. Tomorrow, same behavior, you get angry. Your pet is like, wait, what are the rules? I'm super confused. Let me tell you the fix for it. Be consistent. Same rule every day from everyone in the house. Then you'll see the change. Next mistake, rewarding the wrong behavior. This one is super common. For example, your dog barks, you give attention to calm them down. What they learn from this is barking gets attention. Same with cats. For example, they are mewing loudly. So you must be thinking, what's the fix for this? Reward the behavior you want, not the one you are trying to stop. Wait for calm, then reward. Next is poor timing. Remember what we learned earlier? Timing is everything. If you reward too late, your pet links the reward to the wrong action. For example, dog sits, waits, stands, and then you reward. They think standing up gets rewarded. After all, they are an animal only, right? Not what we want. So, what's the fix for this? Reward within 1 or 2 seconds of the correct behavior. That's how they will learn quickly. Next mistake is expecting too much too fast. This is a big one. You teach sit once and expect perfection in a noisy environment. That's like learning one word in a new language and trying to give a speech. Let me tell you the fix for this. Train in stages. Start simple. For example, in a quiet environment, start teaching few instructions and then slowly add distraction. Focus on progress, not perfection. Next, and the most common mistake is using only commands, no connection. If your pet doesn't feel connected to you, they won't care about your commands. Especially true for cats. So you should build the trust first, spend some quality time, use a calm, positive tone, make training feel like a game. Next mistake is overusing punishment. This is important. Punishment might stop behavior temporarily, but it can create fear, anxiety, and confusion, and that damages your bond. Let me tell you the fix for this. Focus on redirecting behavior, rewarding the correct action, creating positive learning experiences. Now let's have a quick reflection. Take 10 seconds and think. Which of these mistakes have you been making? No judgment, just awareness. Because once you notice it, you can fix it instantly. And here's something I want you to remember throughout this journey. Your pet is not trying to be difficult, they are trying to understand you. So your job is to make things clear for them. In the next lecture, we are going to build something even more powerful, a deep trust and bond with your pet. Because when your pet trusts you, training becomes effortless. So stay with me. Give your pet a smile, maybe a treat, and I'll see you in the next lecture.